Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Becker, and I'm very excited to tell you about our new dog bones from Mercola Healthy Pets. As you know, dogs love to chew, and you probably know that oral health is incredibly important to the overall health of our pets. Just like us, they need to have their teeth regularly inspected for plaque and tartar because a healthy mouth is a very important part of a very healthy body. And there's really only 3 ways that your dog can acquire good, healthy teeth. The first, of course, is to take the time to stop and brush your dog's teeth, which I do recommend as a veterinarian, regardless of what diet you're feeding your pet. I created our natural dental gel for this very purpose, and it's very effective to use when you're brushing your dog's teeth. The second way is to rely on your veterinarian to clean your pet's teeth. And while this is sometimes necessary because it involves anesthesia and it's expensive, I recommend doing as much home care for your dog's mouth as you can. And by you doing things at home, it will help minimize how often you end up having to have your dog's teeth professionally cleaned. The third thing you can do to maintain your dog's oral health at home is to provide what I call mechanical abrasion, or offering your dogs healthy bones to chew on. Vets recommend you brush your dog's teeth and provide regular great things to help your dog chew and to help remove plaque and tartar. These are great at-home ways to minimize how much time you spend at the veterinarian having him or her work on your dog's teeth. Now, there are lots of edible bones on the market today that quite frankly contain ingredients that aren't necessarily good for your dog. So they may provide mechanical abrasion, but when you look at the ingredient lineup, it's not something that you would want your dog eating on a regular basis, which is why I'm so pleased to tell you that our 100% edible dog bones contain no synthetic ingredients, no carrageenan, no genetically modified ingredients, no soy, and no gluten. Our bones are 100% digestible and are animal protein free, which means they're suitable for dogs who are sensitive to chicken or beef or have some other food allergy going on. The dog bones come in 2 different sizes. One is for large dogs, and then of course the other one is for smaller dogs. So no matter what size dog you have, there's a suitable size bone to help them maintain good oral hygiene. My gentle dental chew bones are designed for puppies and dogs that have sensitive teeth and mouths, as well as dogs that have had restorative dental work done. The gentle and the regular dental chew bones both do a great job of freshening breath while providing a very satisfying, safe, and enjoyable chewing experience that improves oral health. Of course, the whole product is human grade. The ingredients are tested multiple times through a process that conforms to good manufacturing processes and actually goes through the same stringent quality control steps as our human products do. So you can be assured that your dog has a safe, tasty treat that he or she will enjoy. I'm happy to say that with Mercola Healthy Pets dental chew bones, you'll know that you're providing your dog with an edible bone that satisfies their need to chew and benefits their oral health.